What's up guys, it's HELLCAT J here, back with another video. Today I'm actually going to be doing a fun little interior mod that's real cheap, real easy to do based on the YouTube University videos that I've watched about it. Today we're going to be upgrading the interior trim with L-wire. So I purchased this kit from Amazon. I think it was like 15 bucks for 15 feet. My plan is to run it across the dash and then maybe on the sides here, like on the sides right here, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. This particular kit came with, I think, a ballast and a USB plug. I've seen other ones where you can hardwire it, but I think I decided to go with this one because it just seems to be the simpler option. What I plan to do is actually, you know, after coming around here on the interior, I plan to start from this left side right here and then go all the way around and then somehow get it from this side of the trim, maybe up and around here and around there. And then what I plan to do is maybe just snake it underneath here to get into my USB ports right here. So it's pretty easy. The trim itself, the L-wire itself, has a flatter part, as you can see right here. So that kind of gets tucked into the trim panel. So I've seen a couple of these videos online on YouTube, and it really does spruce up the interior, and it's such a cheap mod, I thought, why the hell not? All right, let's give it a go. Okay guys, so I did the first top section. So I think what I'm gonna do now is, let's see, what do we got over here? I'm going to snake it under the steering well, this little hole right here, and it should pop right through there, and then bring it around here, come up around here like so, and then here, and then perhaps maybe I'll go directly back here and kind of just like snake it in over here to try to get back to this USB spot, or depending on how it goes, I might just come around right here, or maybe go underneath the dash trim to tuck it in here and just connect to this USB spot. I would need a cigarette lighter for that though, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Gonna try to figure it out as we go along. Okay guys, so new game plan. So I originally wanted to go down into the wheel well, but then I realized it wouldn't make a clean line down here. So what I'm doing is, instead I'm gonna go around here, follow this line, come up here, go around here and into there, and then follow this line and try to snake it maybe either around here. No, what I'll do is I'll come around to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, and then I'll just bring it in to here. So you really won't see it coming up from the side of the seat. It'll just come up here. Or maybe just, yeah. I gotta figure it out. But my point is, I don't want any overhanging lines over any of the dash trim here. I want it to look clean, so I'll figure it out as I go along. Okay guys, so I had a little bit of trouble on the passenger side, but I think I got the solution down. So I'm going to show you the track that I used to wire the whole thing. So again, I started right here, right from the side of the steering wheel, went all the way around the main part of the dash, then went around here, kind of under the steering wheel, and went under this side portion. It was a little difficult to make a tight connection here because the trim isn't so loose, so I really had to dig it in there. And then went all the way around here to the where the volume knobs control is. And then I went all the way around here, and this was really loose down here, so I really dug it underneath there the best I could to get a snug fit, because it kind of just kept sliding out. And then I went up around this area, which is also kind of hard to do, and I kind of just dug it in as much as I could there. And then what I did was snaked it into here, and this was impossible to get a tight fit in without the help of one of my handy dandy tools, a simple flathead screwdriver. I lifted up the trim, and then it had finally a snug fit. And what I did here is, if you see this little corner right here, I had to tuck it under here, this little portion right here, for it to stay snug. And then I finally hooked it up to the wire. So I'm gonna start the car. Oh, my keys are inside. Whoops. Let me get those. I think it's lit up already. After I plugged it in, I can see like a faint glow, but obviously you can't really tell because it's nice and bright outside still. But let's try to darken the car. I have tinted windows. Let's see if that will give me the effect that I'm looking for. Yeah, you can kind of already see it lit up. Okay, so I unplugged it from the USB here, and then boom, I lit it up. So you can't really see it now, but I definitely do see that, you know, the line work I did was clean. It's nice and snug in the dash trim. There's not really any loose spots. And yeah, that was just a simple, cool mod. I'll come back at nighttime and show you guys how it came out. I think it came out really cool. Yeah, so I'll follow up with you guys at night and show you how it went. What's up, YouTube? It's HELLCAT J. I'm here and I'm just showing you guys how the L-wire install looks at night. I mean, I think it's really cool looking. It was really easy. All you got to do is press your thumb into the trim and it just really spruces up your interior. So yeah, without further ado, let me light this up and show you guys how it came out. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Come back a little bit. Very nice, clean install. Looking nice. Definitely adds some pizzazz to the interior. So yeah, let me show you guys how it looks from the outside. Let me turn this off. How do I turn these lights off? Yeah. Wow. There we go. All right. So from the outside, kind of had to dim this a little bit. I mean, normally I have my dash a little more lit up, but yeah, check that out. It's looking really nice. So as you can see, I went all the way around up top, down into this the driver footwell, into that crevice over there. Let me show you how this came out on the other side. Louvers and the taillight tint looking sick. Look at that. She's coming along, guys. She's coming along. This is how it looks from the passenger side. Coming down over here. Yeah, very clean install. Definitely makes your interior look a lot cooler. And I mean, for 15 bucks, you can't beat that, man. So yeah, YouTube, I'm a big fan of this. It's a simple install, doesn't require any soldering or wiring, or nice and easy. Take a look at that. I'll show you with the door closed. Oh, that's sick. So yeah, I'll be doing it for my HELLCAT too, but I want to do a red color. I mean, obviously, because look, it's red. And I got a white interior in the Charger, so that's why I went with white. But yeah, man, I'm pretty souped about this. So yeah, guys, here's how it looks in the interior when it's normally lit up. Looking real clean. Yeah, man, I'm super happy about how the install came out. It's super easy. But yeah, guys, it's HELLCAT J here on YouTube. Please like, follow, subscribe, all that for more how-tos and more content. We'll be doing a lot more stuff with both of my cars very soon, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you, guys. Good night.